So, good day everyone. My name is Jill Marie Ilyuso, Bachelor of Physical Education at Central Philippine State University Main Campus. So today, present to you our research entitled Academic Stress and Mental Health Problem of Students in University. So, academic stress has become an increasingly prevalent issue among university students worldwide, significantly impacting their mental health and overall well-being. This stress arises from various sources, including academic workload, performance expectation, and the pressures of transitioning to higher education. The effect of academic stress are multifaceted, influencing student emotional, psychological, and physical health, and can lead to conditions such as anxiety, depression, and burnout. Understanding the relationship between academic stress and mental health is crucial for developing effective intervention and support system within academic institutions. Academic stress has alone also been shown to negatively impact mental health in students. Academic stress can reduce motivation, aiding academic achievement and leading to increased college dropout rates. So college students are exposed to novel academic stressor such as intensive academic course load, substantial studying, time management, classroom competition, financial concerns, fami- familial pressures, and adapting to a new environment. Stress experienced by college students is multifactorial and can be attributed to a variety of contributing factors. So this study aims to investigate the elements that leads to increased academic stress, including time management, deadlines and exams, academic workload, and instructor expectation. The ultimate goal of this research is to help create more encouraging learning settings that assist students' emotional health and addition to their academic achievement. Additionally, the purpose of this study is to determine the extent of academic stress that students encounter, as well as the effect that this stress has on their mental health indicators, including signs of anxiety, depression, burnout, and sleeping issues. So thank you so much for your listening and God bless us all.